just woke up. So bored. It's 7:48. Ow. God. Why does it always have to be like this? Got my light. This is much cozier. Guys, I'll just turn on my light, then I'll probably be easier. So I can see guys when I turn on my light. Done. Easy peasy, guys. Guys, how comes I can't see anything? See, how comes? Oh my goodness, guys! I need to turn my light on. Now you can see me. I'm literally so cocky. Look at my blanket. Oh my goodness, guys, you can't even see me. Okay, let me put my blanket over me. That's cozy. That's better. Ow! Ah, there we go, guys. That took for ages. Ow, and guys, I remember that later on today, like 4 minutes ago, so Marnie uploaded, she's my best friend in school. Well, not really my best friend, but she's my friend. But she uploaded a video, and then basically all she did, and a video was only 3 seconds, all she did was this, and then done. I mean, what sort of video is that? I commented that. What sort of video is that? I mean, like, you guys go and watch that video. Love XOX. XOX. Go on, you go have a look. Shut up, Carl. I've kept my window open because it stinks in here, like bleach. Bleach. I'm not saying the B word, bleach. I'm saying bleach. Because my dad sprayed spray, and now it stinks. Because the spray was made out of bleach, and it smells like bleach. You have to open my, ouch. So my head went into my eye. So I had to open my window so then all the smelly stuff goes outside and all the fresh stuff goes inside. So yeah. You guys, now it's actually lighter. How does it even do that? It goes from dark to like light. Hold on, guys. Wait. Yeah, you can still see me. By the way, I'm not wearing any top. I can't wear any top because I don't want any. I'm so cold. Guys, I remember in year 3 when I used to go swimming. And then basically we went to the leisure centre in Wednesbury, and then basically the pool smelled like bleach, and that's exactly the same what smells like in here. You guys can probably, well, people in school who's in year 3 and now we're in year 4, you probably know what the smell is, because you know what the smell is in the leisure centre in Wednesbury. So you probably should know what the smell is in here. If you know what the smell is in the swimming pool, I need to get a drink. There it is. I got Pepsi. Oh God. Guys, by the way, the reason why I'm drinking it just by the bowl, because it's mine. I don't have to drink it by a cup. I can just drink it on its own. Because it's my bowl, I can have all of it to myself. So yeah. I don't know what this title can be, but. Hey guys, like, subscribe, turn notifications if you want a shout out in my next video. Oh, guys, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Finch. A shout out to Mr. Finch because he's my teacher. A shout out to my teacher. He's ill, so he's probably at home doing work. Oh God, it's so freezing cold. Can't so cold. Shut up, you car! Shut up! So, also guys, people in year 4, like my class, you know that we had special visitors and they were the firemen, yeah. And then they told us if it makes a beep, if it makes a noise like this, beep, beep, only slowly, then that means I have to change the battery. And that happened, but this time it didn't really make that noise. It went like this, beep, 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 like that. And then, well, like Snow White, and then the fast one. That's weird. And then